Hello, this is Sam Fauzi, and this is my video on the course I have set on Moodle platform, Moodle for Teacher, Moodle course. It's academic research and academic writing, and I'm gonna walk you through my course, showcase the things I've added to the course. This is the section of I haven't turned on the editing because I'm viewing the course as a student now or the participant. This is the section of announcement where I gave a short description of the course and the structure. It's of 4 weeks and the requirements and restrictions and that sort of thing. Then this is week 1, which is the theoretical background on research problem and question, about choosing a topic and problem and question. The students would read a web page on University of California website on what's research and the main types of research: action research, qualitative, quantitative. I'm talking about linguistics and educational research mostly. Then I have added the discussion to test the knowledge and the reading of the students. Then I have provided this book. It's a famous book about conducting educational research. I'm addressing teachers and linguistics candidates or researchers. This is a very famous book or resource in this field, conducting educational research, and they are assigned to read the book, especially chapter 2, to compare or to know the differences between qualitative and quantitative and action researchers. These are the main types. Then they are asked, the chapter talks also about finding a problem and narrowing down the problem and forming a research question. Then they are asked to find a research problem based on the reading of that book, and they are provided with a web page on the website of University of California. Again, to know more about other sections of research, especially literature review, to get able to do a literature review methodology, discussion, results. Then I'm gonna test their knowledge or their reading by this discussion. Everything is restricted and obligatory. They have to answer what's their literature review and why do we do it, and what's the difference between conclusion and discussion. Then they have finished the theoretical part, all the sections of the research, and they have ended week 1 with a research problem and a research question. Then they were gonna complete their journey with their question, with their problem, using the research tools to research and to do the literature review. And this is the week 1. Week 2, research tools, global databases, and citation. First, they are introduced to the Egyptian Knowledge Bank. I'm addressing this way the scholars residing in Egypt because it's only available for scholars inside Egypt. This is the Egyptian Knowledge Bank, and said that it's the largest digital library in the world. It has a lot of global, or the largest global databases in different fields. They are introduced to the Egyptian Knowledge Bank, and to know more about it and quick look at its portals. It have different portals, especially the researchers or the scholars portals. Then they are introduced to one of the video tutorials of the Egyptian Knowledge Bank on how to register and what are the requirements or restrictions. Then they are given the website to browse and get after they have registered already, and they are asked to do a demo, online demo, how to register and how to explore the different portals of the Egyptian Knowledge Bank, which is the main digital library they are gonna use. Then they are introduced to the ProQuest database. That's the largest database of dissertations worldwide, and it's available. One of the global databases available in the Egyptian Knowledge Bank. They are introduced to this database, read about it in its main website, and they are given the link of the YouTube channel of ProQuest to watch 3 or 4 video tutorials about different types of search, basic and advanced search, and different services, search services provided by ProQuest, and all the videos are put in a playlist in the YouTube training channel of the database, of this database, so it's very easy. They are very organized resources for them. Then they are asked to do a demo, an online demo, how to make a basic research, and how to do a basic research, and how to do an advanced research, and how to use the ProQuest database. Then we move to citation styles, and we start with manual citation styles. I'm focusing on this course because it's a sample course, it's not a complete one. I'm focusing on APA style because this is the style we use in educational and linguistic researches. I'm introducing them through a web, through a page to I'm directing them to the main page of APA, what's APA and what's the organization. Then to the Purdue University, of course, the most famous online writing lab that introduces them to the main rules of bibliography or references, citations, and in-text citation. Then I give them a list of references that's a list of references that's written in Chicago style, and I guess it's an old one, and they are asked to change the style into APA. This is the list of references, and this is their assignment. Cite correctly. Change them into the APA style. That's the focus of this course. Of course, in a bigger course, they would be introduced to many styles. Then we move to that was manual citation. That was manual citation style. Yes. Then we move to electronic citation managers, which is EndNote, that works with ProQuest and other ProQuest database and other databases, and I give them resources. A page that has the main a link to the main website of EndNote. What's an EndNote program and what does it do? Then a video tutorial, a long one, about how to connect EndNote and how to connect EndNote to the Word and how to use it to organize automatically the citations or the resources while researching. Then I have assigned them searching or using ProQuest and EndNote together. This is doing the research process completely. Researching or using one of the global databases, researching academic dissertations with the EndNote citing step by step what they find while researching. So this is the complete research process. They are asked to do it online and video the process as an online demo. Then I introduce them to another a global database, which is Elsevier. It's a global one, and it has different specialities. Again, they have the web, this page to go to the website from here and know what's Elsevier, and then they have this demo provided by the YouTube channel, training channel of Elsevier, and they can go and find other other video tutorials, but this is the best one that explains everything about Elsevier and all the research services provided by Elsevier. And it also explains another citation manager that's provided exclusively by Elsevier, and it works exclusively on Elsevier. That's called Mendeley. It's something like EndNote. Then but it works only on Elsevier database. Then they are asked to do an online demo on Scopus, that's a citation database included in Elsevier sub-database, and use ScienceDirect, it's a sub-database in Elsevier. These are the most important search services provided by Elsevier. Along with, they are asked to do the search process online, along with Mendeley, citing their researchers, citing the papers they have found, with Mendeley. This is another citation manager. So this way they are training how to use different citation managers and also how to use citation styles manually. We started with this way. Then we moved to the third week, which is academic writing. And I tried to try restrictions. They cannot proceed unless they finish so and so, because these are steps that are gradual and they have to finish this before this. We moved to academic writing, the writing process itself. We have finished the searching process, and now we have come to the writing process. They have tips on Harvard Writing Center, informal and formal, improve your academic vocabulary, an online book about academic style and using word choice, and also web pages on avoiding bad things or non-academic styles like plague words and primer language, and how to make the sentences concise and effective, and punctuation, of course, and how dangerous it is. And these links are provided on a guide to grammar and writing provided by Capital Community College. It's a community college in the US, but it's a very good website. I have tried this before, and it was the main resource for one of the editing courses I have taken, a graduate one. And they are provided this guide. And then they are provided with the fundamentals of argumentative essay. It's a workshop, like it's a video tutorial, and one of the video tutorial of the ETS, the TOEFL video tutorials, how to write an essay. This is the first step, how to write an academic essay. Then another workshop, a big one or a long one, a long workshop. Yes. How to write an essay in detail, writing every single paragraph and using the transitions. Then they are asked to write an essay. That's the first step, using this guiding rubric. And the guiding rubric has the criteria of writing a research and reflecting on the writing process and presenting the research, because they are gonna present the research at the end. Oral presentation, yes, it's a complete rubric. It's for a science school, but it applies to everything. Then we've moved to, we've got to start week 4. That's the research project or the course project, and of course it's restricted until they get the badge of writing the academic essay. They have to finish the academic essay professionally and get the badge of academic essay. Then they move to writing of an academic research. Now they are assigned writing their research project using the same rubric, the rubric of writing as a research or writing academically anyways, a research or an essay, and they are assigned presenting this research in an authentic way using the same grading rubric I have showed you. I have just showed you, and video this presentation and submit it in this forum. And of course it's restricted until they finish writing the research itself and get their grades, because they are not supposed to present something that's not authentic. It has some plagiarism, that's not correct. The research submitted and corrected first, then they presented at the end. And I have these badges. This is a badge for the academic essay, the first step of academic writing. Then there is another badge for the writing the research, academic integrity, to highlight the importance of academic integrity. It says that there is no plagiarism. This is the logo of the badge, no plagiarism. Then we have got the final badge, which is the researcher badge, the completion course, the badge of completing the course, that announces, for example, the birth of a novice researcher. Here we have got a novice researcher. This is the badge of the end of the course. That's it. That was my course. Thank you for watching and bye bye.